Once your offer is accepted, it starts the next phase of the transaction, which is called escrow. You'll be required to put your 3% down of earnest money deposit, which will be held with the title company throughout the escrow process. By the time this happens, you will have come to an agreement with the seller on closing date and length of time for contingencies. This period is usually 30 to 45 days and is specified in the contract. Each contract is different, but most include the following 4 items. Number 1, inspection contingency. This is your right to have the property inspected, and you want to do this as soon as possible after you enter into the escrow period. If the results of the inspection are unsatisfactory, then you want to go back and renegotiate the price and or cancel the contract. Number 2, financing contingency. Once the contract is signed, you'll have a period of time in which to secure funding. If you're unable to do so, you have the option to either request for an extension of time from the seller or cancel the contract. And this is why being pre-approved is so important. Number 3, the seller is required to provide a marketable title. And what that means is that the title is free and clear and you're able to take ownership of that property. Number 4, securing homeowner's insurance. This is always required if you're doing any financing on a property, and you want to get this number and figure it out as soon as possible after the escrow period opens. If you have any questions or you're ready to start the home buying process, just fill out the form below and a member of my team will be in touch shortly.